The Indiana Pacers are playing some decent basketball to start the season. A lot of people thought that they would struggle with Paul George getting traded, but that has not been the case. Oladipo. What a slam, cutting back door. Nice pass from Sabonis. Oladipo, he's really coming alive. He was not playing like this on the Thunder or on the Magic. Not like this. De'Aaron Fox with a nice game, 18 points, 5 assists. Here he is again, changing directions. Fooling the defense, making him think he wants to go that way. Nice pass inside to Sabonis for the throwdown. Pacers are up big here in the second quarter. Another pump fake. They can't stop this man. Gets double teamed. Shot clock cheese. Victor Oladipo. Of all people. Now he's cutting back door for another slam. He is playing so explosive on the Pacers. He's always been explosive, but not this confident and this aggressive. If he would have played like this on the Thunder, that would have been something last year, wouldn't it? I guess that's what happens when a franchise gives a player the keys when he features that player. Zebo hitting it from mid-range. Kings are down big here. Can they get back into it? Al Jefferson in the post. And as we move to the fourth quarter, it's more of the same. Lance Stevenson dancing on the rookie De'Aaron Fox. The Kings never had anything going for them in this game. They're now 1-6 to start the season.
Hey, yo, DJ. Nice shoes.
See, Shammy wasn't that bad, bro.
Shammy, you got blown up there, man.
Yeah, I can't lie, it was kind of dope.
He was extremely technically proficient.
Hey, but I did look good, if I may say so, with the material y'all gave me.
See, and I bet you love getting all